I'm Karis Kopp. I'm here at FESPA 2023 for Future Print TV, and I am delighted to be here with Rachel from Fujifilm Ink Solutions Group. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Karis.
Thank you so much for agreeing to chat with us. I think it'd be really good to get your take on what you're here focusing on the show. What kind of conversations are you having? Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, actually, I come to meet our OEM customers, and also would like to get some of the update and what's happening in this market. Yeah,
Fantastic.
yeah, it's a very big show this year.
Yeah, really good, really nice and busy. And I think from your perspective, it's interesting because you're on the ink side of things. We're here at a wide format show, but it'd be good to get your take on from an ink perspective, the kind of trends that you're seeing here at the event.
Yeah, sure. Actually, I think it's because of wide format is a quite established market in the digital area, so everyone knows it, and also the machine, the format, and quite a cover very well. So actually this year, I can't see a lot of new things from the machine side, but on the other side, I can see the people will try to use the same machine and to do a different stuff, a lot of new application and a display on their stand, which actually from the ink side, it's quite exciting because I can see that people can thinking about how to use the same machine to do a different job, which means they might need a different ink chemistry, different formulation, and to help them to do some innovation.
Interesting. So people are perhaps looking at diversifying what they're offering. They're looking at perhaps what can I do with this one piece of equipment, and of course that has a big impact in terms of the inks that you're using.
Yeah, that's true. And also, I think this is another education period for the customer to think outside of boxes. So this is something we can add value, and what type of chemistry and technology, and we can suggest them to use, and for what type of material. And actually, from the material side, I can see more and more people try to promote a sustainable substrate like a PVC free. So in that case, and this is also linked into the ink and how compatible and from the ink side and to work with the material. Yeah, this is another new area, and I think we can move forward.
Yeah, and I guess that's now with you looking to the future in terms of a future ink development and formulation perspective. You're kind of thinking people do want to be able to do as much as they can in different segments with this one piece of equipment. So for you, I guess you have to be smart about the chemistry and how you're developing those inks so that people can be using them for a wider range of applications.
Definitely, that's true. Yes, so I'm very looking forward to that.
Yeah. It's an exciting time with that with your eye on that in the future.
Yes, of course.
Rachel, thank you so much for talking to us. It's always a pleasure to catch up with you at these events and talk about the ink side of things with the Fujifilm Ink Solutions Group. Have a great rest of the show and some great conversations with your OEM partners.
That's my pleasure as well. Thank you, Karis.